Alright, so here's the verdict. Here's Reed's brand new dirt bike laid down. And with his old helmet case, there happens to be a 180 Cosmo from Fox. But it just regularly looks like his helmet right now, and it's not very noticeable. So he's gonna be confused. He doesn't even know we're here, but he knows something's up.
Yeah, he knows something.
We're a little cooked. I'm gonna hide right here. Jason's gonna hide. Oh dear. And we're just gonna get his reaction of whatever the hell happens. Hopefully he freaks out a little bit. Hopefully he figures out that the subscriber gave him a new helmet, the one he's asking for from the video. Any second now he's gonna open this garage door and go, "What the frick?" He's looking right at me. This is not good.
What you doing?
We didn't account for the fact that the garage door would illuminate my entire body.
You didn't account for the fact that I already checked your location.
Well, my location's
and figured that
off.
both of you already had your locations off for 30 minutes and you were already up to something, so you'd better expect me to think something's at my house.
Well, you still haven't figured anything out yet, so.
Hey Jordan, the garage door might illuminate your entire body.
Yeah, the second the door opened, I went, shit, this guy's no cool. I don't even know what he's doing outside. Wait, this guy thinks he figured it out?
Yeah, I do. It's right there, next to my bike.
Reed's gonna be like 10. He's gonna have that shit on lock. We didn't think you checked Life 360 that damn much.
Well, I was surprised because I was expecting a call from Jordan around 4 o'clock saying, "What are we doing tonight?"
I already know what we're doing tonight.
At some point, I figured. It doesn't help that it's see-through.
No, it doesn't. The white one's worse, so it doesn't get much better. I was trying to make you think that's your normal one, but it's definitely not.
Yeah, I can tell.
So you can say thank you to one of the 200 people that actually gave that to you.
Holy shit.
Holy shit.
Holy shit.
Fully kitted out now. Except for you gotta get like a different visor maybe.
Whose hair is inside of there?
Welcome back, guys. Back with today's YouTube video.
Welcome back, guys. I think I dropped my hydro flasks.
Thank you for 200 subscribers. That helmet is sick as hell.
What's up, guys? We're here with the 3 bikes. Hopefully we can turn these 3 into something that goes wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow.
As a kind man, Jason Chimbos once said.
This one, 2021 TTR 230, 2008 CRF 230, 2008 TTR 230. This one's the one Damien was wrecking. So she's all dirty and messed up. Cleaned the car, put a new battery in it, call it a day. This puppy's about to get sold in less than 30 minutes. Hopefully that goes well. We'll try to do our best to film most of it, but you know how it goes. This puppy's ready to go, but I actually posted an ad for this, and this was in the background. 5 people slid up and said, I want that. I guess the Hondas are popular in AZ, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah. Alright guys, as you can tell, the truck bed is empty. This was a humble guy. Actually, I don't think I should say his name. This was a He was a humble guy. He drove like an hour and 10 minutes, a roofer. So I felt bad for the guy. He's in Arizona doing roofing. Like, it doesn't get much more intense than that. But, oh, $1,400. Put towards the damn Reed smacking the camera out here.
I meant to hit it with the money and I hit it with my knuckle. It did not feel good.
Time for the next sale.
Alright, chat. It's my turn to talk. What do you think I should do with this rig? Right now I'm fixing it, but after I fix it, do I keep it and ride it till it blows up, or should I sell it for what I can get out of it and buy something better? I don't know.
Hey, bro, look at this.
What? What the hell?
Look at the rock.
Yeah.
It's in there, bro. I can't get it out.
What did Damien do?
Bro, it's just the travel rock, my guy. That's good luck right there. Alright, it's time for the white stuff.
Raptor.
Shouldn't have gone mudding in my Crocs.
Bro's losing traction.
What'd I even say to this thing? I don't know. Got another dirt bike in the back. You know what that means? We might sell it, you know?
Might.
It's going back to Prescott. It's original home. Got anything to say, Reed?
We need this thing gone.
Yeah, on goodness, bro. Reed's parents are pissed, bro. I just keep filling the garage full of dirt bikes. This one's gonna leave though. We aight. She strapped in there?
She ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, hopefully I have $3 grand in my pocket in like 20 minutes. Yo, where'd my dirt bike go? Where's my dirt bike? Is that where my dirt bike went?
Still going.
Another one. Round 2 went smooth. Guy pulled up in the work truck, threw it in the little trailer and said, "We good." He went to Target to get ratchet straps.
I didn't have any.
Didn't have any.
Surprisingly.
So, on to the last one. All right, guys. There's the end of the dirt biking season. For me, at least, I'm out of dirt bikes. Reed still has his dope-ass Honda, so I'm just gonna have to buy one in winter. Cause there's something at home.
He also got scammed by a white guy.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah. All right, well, the last dirt bike, it's gone. Gonna miss it because now I'm dirt bikeless. But I should probably go looking for it, you know? Can't find it in here. Wait, what's that? Oh, a bunch of money. Guess I'm okay with that. Before when this started, obviously there was 3 things here. This is all that's left. We're gonna be a mountain biking channel, actually. This is the rig. All those dirt bikes got sold for this. Just kidding. Just for this. With this, you have endless possibilities. You can do whatever you want with this. Now, it's not gonna be a lot. All the other money from the other bikes are gone. But there's actually something else here. Alright guys, after selling those 3 dirt bikes, that's 6, 3 dirt bikes, I'm left with nothing but 1,900 bucks, and I'm on a boat. 5K, we bought this 1986 Ski Supreme, and I still have $1,900 to play with. So this summer, you're gonna see a lot of boating videos, a lot of dumb stuff, a lot of throwing Damien on a tube and using him as a human wrecking ball.
Hey, on top of that, I don't know if we've ever shown any of our other stuff on camera, really.
What happened there, bud? I don't even know.
Better than the boat. Don't worry about this one. Look at this beautiful 1974 750 SX. I'm lying. That's not. There we go. This is my Butte. She runs great. We rode it out a lot last season. We might be able to throw some clips in there from her. We went out like 4 times last season. Had no problems with it. Started building it a little more. So now we get to rip her next time we go out. The boat will be lit. I get to jump that hoe. That'll be sick. Jump in the wake.
We're now aboard my first ever friggin' boat. Let you check her out for a sec. Got some parts there. We've already burnt some wires under this thing. We're installing this really overkill relay for that light. I did a dummy and kind of wired the battery together and basically melted a couple wires, but it's good, it's fine. So here's just a little tour of the inside. Definitely not, maybe real wood, I can't tell. And a bunch of gauges that kind of work, don't work. Can sit 8 people. She has a marine radio, 4 speakers. So under here, this is the power plant of the boat. This is apparently called the doghouse, which I think is pretty cool. You look this puppy up. She sits back there, just like a big fiberglass / metal thing. And then you got this thing, Ford 351 Inmar Windsor motor. This guy's cammed from factory. That right there is the transmission. There's nothing too crazy about it. It's just an old ski boat. So literally talking V8, sits low in the water, rips, pulls tubes really well, can wake surf. Maybe we're gonna find out this summer if you can get a 5K old ski boat and make it wake surf. Then you got wakeboarding.
The blue could definitely use a little buff and polish.
Yeah.
You used to be able to see the logo. We got the exhaust right there. Plug. The prop. That is direct drive. Yeah, everybody come find us. We live in Idaho. Yep, definitely Idaho. Yeah.
I'm a little stoked about this thing. No, nobody gets free plugs in this.
Besides that hat right there.
They can get a plug, yeah.
What about the shirt?
Oh, I wish I could get sponsored by these fools. See all this? See this nasty oxidized
I was
sticker?
talking about it earlier.
See this Ski Supreme sticker there? One Step McGuire's Compound Marine RV Restorer. Restores and shine to neglected surfaces, removes heavy oxidation, water spouts, and crashes.
This is not a paid advertisement.
No, but God, do I love some McGuire's. Let's do a smell test. Oh, that smells like chalk. Great. Means it's gonna work. It looks a little like chalk too. This will be for Damien to figure out. Because Damien, I guess, knows how to detail and stuff.
Do we trust him?
Well, he either fix it one way or the other. Oh, that was so clean.
What's in the bar?
Some buoys. That's for the badges when I see them. Just flag them down. Come here, I'm lonely.
That is not gonna work.
So we're just out here filming the boat stuff, and I guess this happened. Oh, that's a peacock right there, bro.
Knock on their door and let them know.
The thing's gonna get murked by a car. I don't know about you, but peacocks are not cheap.
Come on. It's locked.
Oh, I lost a crock. Oh, let's go. Yeah, buddy. Is anybody home?
Dude, the house is empty.
Oh no.
Like, I gotta look at their windows, but there's literally nothing in the living room.
It's not good. I guess it's Operation Save the Peacock. What? There's a peacock on the roof. So Operation Save Peacocks, we're good. We got a hold of an owner that knew what was going on. Guess it's breeding season, bro. He's out to just get some. I don't know if you can see that all the way out there. But on top of that roof, that thing moving around right there, that's a whole ass peacock right there. So yeah, tonight's been pretty eventful. I'm out here running in Crocs without the sport mode on through the road, but at least everything's figured out. That's crazy.
What you doing?